Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today I'm going to be making one of my all-time favorite pressed juices. It's super nice and sweet and it's called the Peach Pie Delight. So let's get started. So before we start juicing, because it's going to get quite loud, what I have here is 1 Gala apple, 1 sweet potato, and 2 ripe peaches, as well as 2 or 3 handfuls of blueberries, and we're just going to add it together and juice it all up. So once we've pressed all of our juice together, we can add it to our glass. Oh, so here we have our finished juice. And I also like to add a dash of cinnamon on top just to provide that nice extra flavor. It seemed I overshot a little bit, but it'll still taste good. Now the best part, getting to try it. Delicious. And nice and frothy. Alright, and if you like my recipes, I'd really appreciate it if you would share it with your friends and like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!